Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea. An incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
We are Team Rahi. You can say our team is Code Crushers. I am Ritvik. I'll be presenting the presentation to you. Our venture is Rahi. Rahi, the way to easy travel. Our aim is to, you can say, we have travelers and tourists. We want to solve the frustrations of travelers and tourists right from the start of the planning of the trips to the last leg of their journeys, return journeys. Rahi's aim, our solution at the end, is to be a gift to the travelers, to gift them the luxury of a memorable experience, the luxury of a memorable trip, the luxury of a memorable journey. So the problem at hand we have is that our customer segment is preferably the people who value their time and money. People who are working professionals, preferably above the age of 22, 23, जो 9 to 5 वर्क कर रहे हैं, कहीं भी वर्क कर रहे हैं, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, कुछ भी हैं, they value their time and money. They know कि हमारे पास time less है. We need trips that are memorable. We need the luxury of trips that are enjoyable without the hassle of planning them, without the hassle of having to spend so much time researching. And at the end आपके companions कहें यार trip में मज़ा नहीं आया, so you will feel a bit sad about it. You will feel कि we could have done better. So over there, we want to give the luxury of a memorable trip and a memorable journey. And let's say we have a customer over here, Priya Bholevasi. So Priya, let's give a brief description. Priya is a data analyst. वो 14 LPA job है, द्वारका में work कर रही है, नोएडा में work कर रही है, data analyst intern है. So she seeks memorable travel experiences, but trips often are, you can say, less than what you expect, less than what you'd want. She is frustrated with time-consuming research. आप कहीं भी जा रहे हो, आपको real time चाहिए होता है. Let's say you went to Venice, sir. You travel a lot. You went to Venice. आपने बहुत अच्छा trip किया, family के साथ गए. But when you came back, your relatives are the first people to ask you, how was the trip? कैसा था? And you say, अच्छा था, ये सब करा हमने. And then say, अरे, Venice में उस दिन तो boat festival था. Did you go boating? Did you go to the canal? उधर आप फंस जाओगे. And then you'll feel a bit down. You'll feel कि यार मैंने ये miss कर दिया. Even though जो छोटे मोटे ups and downs होते हैं trips में, at the end you had a memorable experience, but now you're feeling a bit let down because you didn't have the real time research about it. इतनी अच्छे से प्लानिंग कौन ही करता है? आपके पास फाइनेंसेस है, यू कैन गेट एन अकाउंटेंट. आपको कहीं भी जाना है सर, एज ऑल ऑफ यू आर गोइंग वेरी प्लेसेस, ट्रिप्स हैं आपके, मीटिंग्स हैं, यू हैव एन असिस्टेंट, आपको बता रहा है कि सर आपको अभी इस समय यहाँ जाना होगा, उधर जाना होगा, बट आपके पास ट्रिप्स के लिए कोई है? डज एवरीवन हैव द लग्जरी ऑफ हैविंग अ मेमोरेबल ट्रिप? सो दिस इज़ अ लग्जरी एंड वी वांट टू गिव इट टू एवरीवन. दिस इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम, फ्रस्ट्रेशंस हैं कि पीपल वांट वेल प्लान्ड एंजॉयबल ट्रिप्स without the hassle of research, without having the overcrowded issues. आपको शिमला जाना है, हर बार शिमला जाओगे, गर्मियों में सारे शिमला जाते हैं, पहाड़ों पे सारे चले जाते हैं. Anyone wants to go there, but how can you? So प्रिया को ये सारे issues आए. प्रिया ने एक और बात कही कि मुझे locals जो हैं उनसे कनेक्ट करना है. मैं जा रही हूँ कहीं, मैं तिब्बत भी जा रही हूँ, तो I'd want to connect. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं उस एरिया से वाइब करूँ. वेनिस गई, I want to know the beauty of Venice. I want to connect with the culture over there. उधर की पॉटरी जो भी है, पीपल हैं. So 70% of travelers, they face the issue of having a fear of missing out on the hidden locations, hidden travels, hidden tourists. And you can say 60% are concerned about their safety. Vikas here is a salesman and he lacks a way to directly communicate with the locals. He knows all the locals there. He is street smart. He is not earning enough. He wants more revenue incomes. He knows कि मैं कोई भी relationships आते हैं, मेरे दोस्त आते हैं, I am able to give them an enjoyable experience. But he is not able to find the right person. Travels नहीं बन पा रहे. So there comes Rahi. Rahi, your AI-powered travel companion for seamless, safe and effortless smart journeys. You have a secure escrow-based system where आपके पास guides आते हैं bid-based में कि you want to go to Mumbai, you plan कि मुझे 1000 rupees का budget है. Guides आपको offer देंगे, reviewed, peer-reviewed guides जिसके reviews भी हैं, आपके location भी पता है. They'll offer, I'll give you 700, I'll give you 1200. You can decide which guide you want. You can decide at the end moment which guide you want. आप दिल्ली पहुंच चुके हो, even then, at the hands of your fingertips. We have an itinerary planner which is smart AI with real-time data. At the end आप गए, आपने कहा कि मैं फुटबॉल मैच देखने जा रहा था, मैं गया था द्वारका पर उस दिन तो बारिश हो गई. Had you planned with our AI itinerary planner, you would have known it would be raining and it would be better to go for an indoor activity. So we have a built-in SOS system. Safety का concern होता है. We have all of this working that we are going to showcase to you now. And we have curated trip packages and peer-reviewed hidden gems. So that is a UVP of Rahi. So market and opportunity is a lot. Online travel bookings चल रही हैं. Our customer segment is predefined. हमारे पास available market भी है और resegmented market भी है कि जो already agencies exist करती थी locally guides ढूंढने के लिए. We are bringing them online. We are bringing them in an escrow based system जहाँ पे सिर्फ हमारे platform के through वो connect कर पा रहे हैं. So we are generating revenue for not only us but also for all of India and all of the world. जहाँ पे people want guides, जहाँ पे guides want to provide services. And I think we should start with the, if you'd like to see all of it working, आपके fingertips पे.
Before that, the understanding I got is this is more of like an aggregator platform for the guides.
Definitely.
There is a one side people who want to maybe see the world around. There are people who have the knowledge, right? So I'm just curious. Like take an example. Me, I am from Delhi and I know Delhi, but still I still have a limited knowledge of Delhi. Only the areas I have seen or the areas I have researched.
Exactly.
So how that will cater to the wider audience? Like again, there will be a fear of missing out because if I myself don't know, and if I'm their guide, I won't be able to tell them.
So we are using technology to solve this problem. Google Maps पे you can see each and every place, but you don't know whether that place is a place to go for trips. Over there we have peer-reviewed places कि ये trips के लिए अच्छी जगह है और यहाँ पे guides हैं that want to offer their services at this place.
So it means for the same trip, it could be possible that different guides are required.
Exactly.
And are you doing then guides category wise? Because there could be a person who's a nature lover. He will guide you, and there could be a person who's a night lover who can guide you for a nightlife. Right. So are you doing that category also?
We haven't customized it yet, but that is a really great suggestion and we'll
You
implement
can customize it. There are gastronomical tours also. Somebody wants to go for food, somebody wants to go for religious purpose. You can always do
Currently
that.
we add a description कि आपको religious places के लिए जाना है आप लिख सकते
You can have subcategories in that.
Yes, we'll have to do
Because
that.
see, you will come across maybe the youth. They already know about Delhi, but in the night they are in the dilemma that they want to do party. Where shall they go? Which is a crowded, which is a wonderful place where where are happening parties going on. So that kind of thing. Or there could be someone who just needed some secluded place, nature lover who can just sit, relax, no disturbance, peace and calm.
We can look into that because our current customer segment is people who value their time and money.
So are you already at revenue generation stage or you?
This is just the idea generation.
Yeah,
with the
Idea
prototype.
generation. All right. You have
So we
generated
had
the
went to Smart India.
So
Hackathon.
you are still yet to do the test run.
We have yet to do the test run.
How do you plan to reach the masses?
We plan to reach the masses at a pilot testing stage पे. कि first we'll target the faculty of our colleges, our institutes. We'll test it out. We'll connect with guides directly. Initially, we won't use a software platform. We'll see कि guides इधर पर हैं, customer इधर पर हैं. Are they able to connect? Are they able to get a memorable experience? And then we'll provide कि आप इस software से आ जाओ अब.
Okay, so why do you say this as an escrow service?
Escrow service in the sense because we are connecting guides and travelers, but we are providing it in a secure manner. Traveler ने पैसे दे दिए, guide पता नहीं आया, guide आया ही नहीं, तो फिर क्या होगा? Traveler के पैसे चले गए, but we are returning it back.
Okay,
We are
so
holding the money.
in this presentation, have we missed the business model and the
Yes.
revenue generation?
We have missed on it.
You've missed on it, right? Because I couldn't understand how are you going to make money out of it. And one more thing, how is TripAdvisor in competition to you? Because you know a lot of times people actually like to explore things on their own, and more than a guide, they would like to start it from A rather than MPQRS like that. So have you
So we
done that?
We have researched it all, and if you'd like, I can showcase it to you.
I think you should have shown it already.
Definitely.
Because we have a limitation in the time.
Okay,
So
sir.
it's a suggestion that you should incorporate. I mean, spend less time on Priya and more on TripAdvisor because that's your competition.
Definitely, sir.
And another thing is, it could be possible, like a person like me, I do need a guide, but what kind of guide? That someone comes online, lets me know, but I don't need them physically with me, right? So that opportunity should also be there. That okay, if you need the info, this is your guide who will guide you, let you know online. Then you can plan your
Your
own.
virtual assistant.
Yes.
Definitely.
Because some people don't want their families to be accompanied by some unknown
I
man.
understand. We can look into that as well.
Great. All the best. Thank you.
Alright,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. So, it was a good one.